Good morning and welcome to Now Zen TV. Here we are at Lake Bled. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and sunrise is just starting. Just gonna have a quick look around for the best place to photograph. Hope everybody slept well. Back in the UK, you're still going to be in bed, most of you. It's already starting to get busy here with work traffic. I'm just looking around for the best places for photography. Yeah, have a little look around. There you go. We'll crack on, do some photography and report back to you very shortly. Okay folks, thank you, bye for now. Oh, and don't forget, like, subscribe, click that notification bell and please leave any comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now. So this morning I've got the Leica SL3 with a 21mm super f4 lens. It's like a sunset, sunrise grad, just to give a little bit of extra colour to the clouds. A little bit uninteresting this morning. It's not bad, but seen better. So I'm just going to have a quick walk around the lake after I've taken this one. Just varying the exposures. Some for cloud detail, some for foreground detail. So at the moment it's still quite dark in the shadows. So we've got 160 ISO. 1/50th of a second at f8, and then for a second exposure to expose the shadows, and down to a 1/10th of a second. I think I'll actually switch to I'm going to go around the side of the bank and get this house on the hill with a mountain in the background. So I'll catch you in a short while. So as you can probably see, I'm now looking at this scene, but the difference between what you're seeing on the video and what I'm seeing on camera is that I'm stepping down to f11 at 100th of a second and ISO 160 with a sunset filter on, which is really giving me some beautiful colour in the sky, and then I'm opening up for the shadows. Okay, so we're moving on from this one now. I'm going to have a little look around and see what we can find. The sun's up, so we're losing the detail in the mountains. They're nothing but a silhouette, so I'm just gonna have a little pot around with the 50 and shoot a bit of impromptu stuff, just handheld. See what we can come up with. So, catch you in a bit. Bye. Just get a little bit of foreground interest with these two kayakers or boarders or whatever they call them. That's nice. Just silhouetted against the background. That was really nice. Well, I think it's time for a coffee. Got quite a bit of photography in this morning. Some nice shots. Not what I came to Lake Bled for, but I'll get that when I go up on the hills. But I need to have a little bit of a recce and find out where those locations are, exactly where to walk to. I know where they are. I've got to go and examine them during the day, so I know where to go first thing on a morning. Well, we'll be back out here on the lakeside at sunset tonight. Just to capture this scene, what you're looking at, we're at sunset. I think it'll be marvellous. Last night we got some lovely colour over the backs of these hills, so I'm hoping this evening's the same. So for now, I hope you like this scenery. So that's the morning photography finished now at Lake Bled. I'm going to go for a coffee and just have a look at what I've taken thus far and share them with you. So if you'd like to comment, share, subscribe, dingle the little bell, that would be really appreciated. Let's hope we can grow this channel, get more subscribers, enable me to share more content, which I really like doing. And if you've got anything in particular you'd like me to add, like camera settings, what camera equipment I'm using, which camera equipment I've had and what I prefer, I'm quite happy to do so. Just turning around for a different viewpoint for you, but it's all hazy and burnt out. As I say, we've had the best of the morning sun. The morning light is changing now, so I'm going to go on an adventure and have a look around Lake Bled and see what it's got to offer. So, as always, have a good day and speak to you soon. Bye. Right, so welcome to Now's on TV. We're just out with the drone over Lake Bled because it's a military zone, so it's got no Wi-Fi network here for me to unlock the drone. So I'm going to send it up, but I'm just going to keep it close by. But it'll give you a bit of a look what's about. So hope you enjoy it. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And please leave any comments. And keep a lookout for tonight's sunset shots. We will be posting some and doing a little vlogging video. So, see you later. Welcome to Now Zen TV. I'm trying not to move because I'm on a wooden platform and I'm shooting 2-second exposures of a beautiful sunset overlooking the church on a little island in Lake Bled. So I'm also using the Leica app with the remote, currently shooting f16 2 seconds 100 ISO, but also doing some slight variants, so a little longer exposure, 4 seconds, just get a little bit more detail in the shadows, flatten the water out a little bit more, and they're looking really good. Let's just zoom in. Yeah, that's absolutely pin sharp. So I hope you enjoy these photos. And tonight I'm going to do a little bit of astro as well. So I've got my f2 lens, 21mm. I'm going to pop that on and do some 20-second exposures in this same location and hopefully pick up some stars. I might have to point it the other direction, actually, looking at the cloud cover. We'll see. So for now, I hope you enjoy looking at these images, and I hope you enjoy looking at this scenery. I'll just give you a little look if it'll go off for me. Bye. Over there. Over there.